In this video, we're going to be learning how to use shell. So, I think the most important, a good example of shell and why it's better to use it in some cases as opposed to just removing or extruding is using the example of a flask. So let's just revolve a flask and make one real quick, and I can show you. So let's remove. Actually, let's use the front, remove the top, remove the right. So we'll draw on the front plane, we'll sketch on it, and a flask. So a flask will look like something like this, something like that. Zoom out a little bit, and that. Let's dimension this so it looks a little bit better. Let's make this 2.5. Let's make this 2. Good. Okay, so we have our drawing right here. Let's hide the front plane too. And we're going to revolve. So we'll click this, click an axis. So there we go. We have a little flask looking thing. And okay, so why shell is more important than extrude? So we'll use a shell example. We'll use shell, right? And we'll click this face. And you see how we have a hollow hole here? It actually goes all the way through. So basically shell makes an object hollow, right? But see how it doesn't go all the way through? There's still a bottom piece, little bottom piece that doesn't go all the way through. It's still flat on the bottom. That's why shell, and then let's say you didn't use shell and use cut or something. You would have to draw on this plane, sketch, let's draw a circle, and let's remove it. Let's go 3. So extruding or cutting, as you can see, it doesn't go all the way, it just goes a straight line down, right? It goes a straight line down, and it doesn't take in consideration of this like triangular base. And it takes much longer, so because you would have to draw a circle, you have to extrude it, you have to dimension it. Whereas if you had just used shell, all you would have to do is click it, specify a face. After I delete the sketch first. So let's delete the sketch. Let's delete the sketch, then use shell, click this face, and all you have to do is specify thickness, so 0.1, click OK, and now the thickness between the surface of the object and the inside is just 0.1. It's much more quicker, much more efficient, and that's why shell would be useful in these cases.